Somebody has the hiccup bears. What do you think about it? Who would that be? Who's got the hiccup bears?
Goodness.
Somebody's got loud hiccup bears.
Those are what he had in Mommy's tummy all the time.